Introduction. Welcome back to King Bike. Today, we're taking a quick look at the Hero Splendor Plus, one of the most trusted and best-selling commuter motorcycles in the market. Let's find out why this bike remains a favorite for daily riders. Design and styling. The Hero Splendor Plus features a simple and practical design. With attractive graphics, a comfortable seat, and a lightweight body, it offers a timeless look that appeals to riders of all ages. Engine and performance. Powered by a reliable 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the Splendor Plus delivers smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The engine is tuned for everyday commuting, making city rides easy and hassle-free. Comfort and ride quality. The upright riding position, soft suspension setup, and comfortable seat provide a pleasant riding experience. Whether you're traveling to work or running daily errands, the Splendor Plus ensures a smooth journey. Mileage and features. One of the biggest strengths of the Hero Splendor Plus is its impressive mileage. It also comes with useful features like i3S technology, a side-stand engine cutoff, and a durable build quality that helps reduce maintenance costs. Conclusion. The Hero Splendor Plus continues to be a smart choice for riders looking for reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to King Bike for more motorcycle reviews and updates.